Class 1 Moral Science Chapter 6 Love and Respect.
Kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Happy New Year to all. And I wish in this year, in 2021, God bless you with so many things, and I wish God fulfill your desires. Okay? Now today I am going to teach you moral science. Chapter number 6, Love and Respect. So in this chapter we learn how we love each other and how we give respect to others, which is very important. In this chapter we learn about an old servant, and there is a girl, her name is Leela. So let's read the chapter, then we knew the story very well. Okay, so start reading it. Okay, so when ma'am is reading, so you repeat after ma'am, so it will easy for you to read the chapter well. Okay,
Let's read the chapter number 6.
the chapter is love and respect. Value taught, love and respect, life skill development, self-awareness, effective communication and creative thinking. And the golden word is to love is to receive a glimpse of heaven. To respect means to be polite towards elders. Love is one of the divine virtues. It is a feeling that comes from heart. Love means having a deep affection for somebody or something. Respect means good behavior and obedience toward the elders. Respect means good behavior and obedience towards the elders. Read the following story. The Old Servant. Now we read this story. Leela was an 8-year-old girl. She lived with her parents in Mumbai. Ramu, an old man, served the family as a servant. Leela is a girl who lived with their parents in Mumbai, and Ramu is a servant. Okay. One day, Leela saw that her mother was giving money, clothes, toys, toffees and biscuits to the servant. After giving the things, she said, Ramu Kaka, you are going to your village. Distribute these things in your family. Take care of yourself. After the servant went away, Leela asked her mother, why did you give so many things to him? Why do you call him Kaka? He is just a servant. Her mother. Next page. Her mother replied, he is an old man. Out of respect, I call him Kaka. He works for us the whole day. It is because of him that we live comfortably. He has gone to meet his family. Out of love, I gave him the things. You should also love and respect him. Days passed and Leela realized how much work they had to do. When the servant came back, Leela ran to him and said, in your absence, I realized how much work you do. You are very good. Now, onwards, I will also call you Kaka. Ramu hugged Leela and blessed her. So, children, you should also love and respect all elders. It is your duty to do so. Like if you also have servant at your home and guard bhaiya is there and suppose some peon are there, so you have to give love to them and respect to them. It's good to love and respect our elders. Okay, ponder and practice. Elders always help us, they guide us toward the right path. You should be loving and respectful towards all your elders, whether they are rich or poor. So now we'll do book exercise. Show your learning. Keep pencil in your hand. Now we'll do book exercise. Take the correct statement, cross the wrong one. ओके जो सही है उसको टिक करना है, जो गलत है उसको क्रॉस करना है. लव इज अ फीलिंग दैट कम्स फ्रॉम हार्ट. हम किसी को ऐसे ही प्यार नहीं करते हैं ना, दिल से सबके लिए प्यार निकल के आना चाहिए. तो दिस इज अ करेक्ट वन. सो जस्ट पुट टिक मार्क. Respect means good behavior and obedience towards the elders. Respect का मतलब क्या होता है, हम कैसे respect दिखाएंगे? We show respect with our good behaviors. हम अपने अच्छे आदतों से और दूसरों का कहना मान करके, अपने से बड़ों का कहना मान करके हम क्या दिखाते हैं? Respect दिखाते हैं. So this statement is correct. Just put the tick mark. Leela was 2 years old girl. Leela is not 2 years na. We have already learned how old she is. She is an 8 years old girl. So this is a wrong statement. Leela and her parents lived in New Delhi. They were not live in New Delhi na. Where they were lived? They lived in Mumbai. So they lived in Mumbai, not in Delhi. So cross this statement. This is wrong. You should love and respect all elders. जितने भी बड़े लोग हैं आपसे, उनको क्या करना चाहिए? प्यार भी करना चाहिए और रिस्पेक्ट भी करनी चाहिए. ठीक है? And this is a activity for you. Color the following. These are the activity. You have to color the sun. Okay? Now next page also we have some activity. Let's play picture quiz. Look at the pictures, read the sentences, fill in the pictures number and name the thing. First one is done for you. Okay? So these are the pictures and some numbers are written here, and these are the things we have to put number wise. Okay, number, pictures name and name of the things also. Okay, so we read them. हम किसको पढ़ते हैं? Number 3. It's a books ना. So picture number is 3 and the name of the thing is books. We eat it. हम इसको खाते हैं. Number 1. This all this picture, just see all these pictures. What we have to eat? Ice cream. So we eat it. This is number 1. And what is the name of this thing? Ice cream. So we eat ice cream na. And the next is we take it to school. हम इसको school लेके जाते हैं. What is that? Number 2 picture. And this is your school bag. We always carry our bag with us na. Whenever we are going to school, we wear them. हम इसको पहनते हैं. So which is left? Socks, mobile and football. So what we wear? हम क्या पहनते हैं? Socks. So number 4 and socks. Okay, this is your homework. You have to do it at home. We play games in it. हम इसमें game खेलते हैं. Number 5 picture. It's a mobile phone. Okay, number 5 mobile phone. And we play with it. हम इसके साथ खेलते हैं. This is what? Football. Number 6 football. F-O-O-T, foot, B-A-L-L, ball, football. Okay, so you do all, this is your homework. This is your homework. Do it at home. Okay, and we'll recite this rhyme. First I'm just read it for you, then we'll recite together. Respect is a lesson that all should learn. Respect is a lesson that all should learn. It must be given without expecting return. Respect is just politeness, not a big fuss. It is given to elders by children like us. So now we'll recite this together. Respect is a lesson that all should learn. It must be given without expecting return. Respect is just politeness, not a big fuss. It is given to elders by children like us. Respect is a lesson that all should learn. It must be given without expecting return. Respect is just politeness, not a big fuss. It is given to elders by children like us. Once again. Respect is a lesson that all should learn. It must be given without expecting return. Respect is just politeness, not a big fuss. It is given to elders by children like us. Okay, so here one more story is there. In same chapter, let's read it. In the story, we see that this is a brief of the story. Okay, in a very short form, we see that Leela's mother was loving and respectful towards the servant. She talked to him in a polite manner. Moreover, Leela also did a new thing. She changed her behavior towards the servant. Just like the character of the story, you should love people and give respect to elders. If you think that a new idea is good, you should use it. While talking to people, you should express yourself very clearly. Always remember. So you always talk softly and use good words while you are speaking to others. Whether it's your servant, it's your maid, or it's your guard, or it's your peon, or it's your nanny, it's your ayah. So you always use soft and good words for them and give love and respect to them, so they will also love and respect to you and be a kind hearted. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.